administration. Today, we are going to present the final project about the improvement of the check-in process in a hotel. We are Mariana Reyes, Porfirio Montero, Ayasami Aguirre, and Juan Carlos Manzano, and we are conforming the team number 37. In order to make the improvement, first we made a map as is. This consists in the map of flow chart of activities, also known as process map, as performed without proposing any improvements, even if they are obvious. In this map, we can see the path that the process follows, and which steps are adding value to the services that we are offering. In here, we can see that first we give the welcome to our guest. Then we offer the rooms and services, depending on the guest if they accept. Then we proceed to put the data into the system. Then we start the billing. At the end of the billing, the invoice is started. After that, we give the keys to the customer. We take the client to the room and he enjoys the services. When the client goes out of the room, he goes to reception and they collect the keys and the controls. Then, the maintenance area is in charge of checking the rooms. If everything is okay, then the reception can start the process of the checkout. And then the process comes to the end. After this, we made the map to be, in which one is shown how the process should be done in order to be more efficient than the previous one, reflected in the map as is. As we can see, in the map to be, we can start the billing and the invoicing right after we enter the data into the system, and then we can follow with the giving the keys to the customer. Also, we can see that right after our customer leaves the room, we can start checking the room and collecting the keys and the controls. This will help us to save time and make a better use of resources. After analyzing this, we propose the next improvements. Perform at the same time the charging and invoicing. So you will save time in the process and the customer will not notice the change from one step to another, as well as the clearest client's process. Thus avoiding the bottlenecks are created in this step will expedite this because the customers could collect their keys, go to the room and enjoy the service sooner, and the following clients wouldn't have to wait so much time. Also, we proposed start reviewing the room reception while collecting the keys, so you can speed up the process and not to have to wait to finish a step to start the other. Because the client do not need to be present in a review, neither the reception area. Then they can be carried out simultaneously, making a better use of time. At the end of this project, we realized that even the simplest process could be improved, focusing on the customer needs and how to offer a better service. We can find small details that at the end of the process are significant for the client that also add value for this service. We learn how to analyze information and how to apply this knowledge in order to make a better process where we can save resources and make a better use of them. We learn to make plans and follow them. And we found new tools to make better planning and determine duties. We had a good communication with the company and we could understand what they needed and what they were looking for. As a team, we have good communication and each member of us gave good ideas and apportations, which helped us to make this project better, complementing our ideas with the needs of the hotel. We should have done better our planning, sticking what we planned before and not changing plans so often, as well as we should have had a backup plan in case our meetings with the company were cancelled or one of our group mates weren't able to join us in a meeting.